Hello everyone, this video is about compound interest. So let us understand the concept of compound interest. The topics that we will be discussing in this video are introduction, the formula for calculating compound interest, when the interest is compounded yearly and when the interest is compounded half yearly. Now, the first topic, compound interest. The interest calculated on the initial principal, that is the amount that you have deposited, which also includes all the accumulated interest from previous years on a deposit or loan. In other words, you can say a compound interest is interest on interest. Now, suppose you have deposited 4,000 for 3 years. So for each year, the interest will be different, and the principal, the amount that you have deposited, will be different for each consecutive year. That means the interest that you will get for each year will be different in the case of compound interest. But in case of simple interest, the principal will remain the same, the interest will remain the same for the consecutive years. So this is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. So in compound interest, you will get the interest of the amount that you have deposited, and the interest will be different for each consecutive years. If you have deposited for 3 years, it will be, the interest will be different for each consecutive years, and the sum of all the interest for the years that you have deposited will give you the final compound interest. Now when the interest is compounded annually, you will use this formula: A is equal to P R raised to the power n. Now your A is the amount that you will receive after the completion of the year. P is the principal, the amount that you have deposited, and the time period, the number of your years of investment, and rate R is the rate of interest. The compound interest we can calculate by subtracting the amount that you will get with the amount that you have deposited. So from here you can take out P common. So inside bracket R raised to the power n minus 1. Now this R is 1 plus R divided by 100. When the interest is compounded annually, the value of R is this. So putting the value of Rn, you will get this. So this is the formula that we will use to calculate the compound interest when it is compounded annually. Now, second case, when the interest is compounded half yearly, A, the amount, the final amount will be the principal amount, the amount that you have deposited, into R raised to the power 2n. The value of R here in this case will be R divided by 200. So you can put the value. Compound interest is the final amount minus the initial amount. From here you can take out P, and the value of R is R 1 plus R divided by 200. So this is the formula that we will use to calculate the compound interest when it is compounded half yearly. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.